Let's get started right away. Here is the script for the product review. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of cooking with mediocre pots and pans that can't even distribute heat evenly? Do you struggle to cook hearty meals that please your family and friends? Well, I've got some good news for you because today we're going to talk about the Lodge Double Dutch Oven 5QT. But here's what surprised me, it's not just another pot and pan combination, it's a game changer. Therefore, let's dive into the 3 things you need to know about this amazing product. One of those things is its unparalleled heat distribution. The double-walled construction and heavy gauge steel ensure that your meal cooks consistently and evenly every time. Whether you're making a hearty beef stew or a delicate fish dish, this Dutch oven will make sure it's cooked just right. But have you ever tried to cook with a pot that's too small? It can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to feed a large family or group of friends. The Lodge Double Dutch Oven 5QT is perfect for those situations because it has plenty of room for even the largest meals. Therefore, let's talk about its versatility. This Dutch oven is not just limited to stovetop cooking, it can also be used in your oven on a grill or even over an open campfire. That means you can take it with you wherever you go and cook up a storm, literally. But what really sets this product apart from the rest is its durability. With proper care, it will last for years to come and maybe even become a family heirloom. The heavy-gauge steel construction makes it resistant to scratches and corrosion, so you don't have to worry about it breaking down on you anytime soon. Therefore, let's talk about the 3 things that make this product truly special. Its heat distribution, versatility, and durability. But what about the price? Is it worth investing in? The answer is a resounding yes. For an affordable price of under $100, you get a product that will last you a lifetime. And with the link in the description, you can get the best price on Amazon. But before we wrap up, let's talk about the warranty and customer service. Lodge offers a 10-year warranty on this product, which is unparalleled in the industry. And if you ever need any help or have a question, their customer service team is always available to assist you. Therefore, if you're looking for a Dutch oven that will make your cooking experience easier, more convenient, and more enjoyable, then look no further than the Lodge Double Dutch Oven 5QT. For the best price, click the link in the description. With its unparalleled heat distribution, versatility, and durability, this product is sure to become an essential tool in your kitchen for years to come. But what if I told you that there's more to this product than just its impressive features? What if I said that it also comes with a special surprise that will make cooking even more fun? The answer is yes. With the Lodge Double Dutch Oven 5QT, you get a recipe book filled with delicious and easy-to-make meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this book has something for everyone. Therefore, if you want to take your cooking to the next level and experience the joy of cooking like never before, then don't wait any longer. Order the Lodge Double Dutch Oven 5QT today and get ready to cook up a storm. For the best price, click the link in the description.